ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa.
Anglican Girls' School Ìjẹ̀bú Òde nìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o. ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, air pollution, gas toxic òun ló ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀ o. àwọn ọmọlẹ̀ ń wò tí wọ́n ń gbé dìgbàdìgbà kákàkiri eléyìí ó lágbára o. ẹ̀yin principal, ẹ̀yin ọ̀gá iléèwé ẹ ṣí géètì káwọn ọmọ ríbi gbà kọjá. air pollution, àwọn ọmọ ti sùn sílẹ̀ àtàwọn ọmọ tó ti wà nínú ọkọ̀ gan tẹ́lẹ̀ wọ́n ti sùn sílẹ̀ o. wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń sá kiri o. ó ti kó sí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ nínú Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè o. ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde, èyí tẹ́ ẹ bá mọ Anglican Girls' School tó wà ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde, ibẹ̀ ni afẹ́fẹ́ ìdáná ti kó sí àwọn ọmọ lẹ́nu o. Elédùmarè kó bá wa dáàbò rẹ̀ bò wọ́n o, kó bá wa fọwọ́ tọ́ wọn o. àwọn ọmọ tó ti sùn sílẹ̀ o, ẹ bá wa gbé wọn lọ sílé ìwòsàn. ẹ jẹ́ kí a fi ohùn sí kẹ́ ẹ bá wa wo inú gbogbo agbègbè ilé ìwé yẹn bí àwọn ọmọ àti olùkọ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń sá kiri wípé air pollution ó kó sí àwọn ọmọ nínú, ó kó sí àwọn ọmọ lẹ́nu níbẹ̀. ẹ bá wa gbọ́ lẹ́nu àwọn olùkọ́ wọn o. àwọn ọmọ ń dákú ni o. ariwo táwọn olùkọ́ ń pa nìyẹn. wọ́n ní àwọn ọmọ ń dákú ni o. wọ́n nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ o. ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wà ní ètò ìwòsàn, àjọ elétò ìwòsàn, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa lọ síbẹ̀ láti lọ ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ní Anglican Girls' School tó wà ní Ìjẹ̀bú Òde.
Nigeria, this is another air pollution in Ìjẹ̀bú Òde here now. Another air pollution. Cover your nose, cover your nose, cover your nose. This is another air pollution in Ìjẹ̀bú Òde, affecting the children now, affecting the students. You can see that students here in Ìjẹ̀bú Òde fainting because of the air pollution. You can see. This is another air pollution. This is another air pollution. Please, people in Ìjẹ̀bú Òde, this is another air pollution in Ìjẹ̀bú Òde.
Everybody is fainting. Please, we need help. We need emergency here. Please, they are fainting. The students are collapsing in class. We don't know, the gas is all over everywhere. The air pollution, please.
Ma, you're on live now. Can you see what is going on? Air pollution. This is the principal. Oh yeah. Another people should. No, it's more. Hey! Jesus. Please, we need help in Ìjẹ̀bú Òde here, live and direct. This is a private school. Please, we need your help. This is another one. Please, we need our motor that just bring cars so that we take them. Cover their nose, please. Air pollution in Ìjẹ̀bú Òde. Go home, go home, go home. Hello. Can see the students. Can you see the students? Can you say something? What is going on?
With me, I don't know what is going on too.
No, we are on live now. We are on live.
I don't know what's going on, so I cannot check. But when you know that you have asthma, you are supposed to go
Ọlọ́run ló mọ ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ o nílùú Ìjẹ̀bú Òde. Go and stay there, go and stay there.
Ọmọ wọlé tó wọlé mọ́tò. Ẹ lọ káwa máa lọ kí ló ní ìgbẹ́. Lọ ẹja kan kọ́ ká gbé gbé. Ọmọ yẹn náà ká tó lọ pẹ̀lú mọ́tò yìí. Mọ́tò mi kò sí mọ́tò yìí nù. Ọ̀gá pé. Ọ̀gájà. Ẹ lọ wá wẹ̀ lọ́kọ̀ yìí.
Hello, are you okay? This is Hey, you know, where's your place? Where's your place? Huh? Oh God. Grandma, she bye. Hey. And this is another person. This is another person. Come. Where are you taking her to? Yeah. Cover your nose. Listen, we'll just go with...
She's going to make 500.
Oh yeah, take back. Take back. Wait, oh yeah, mamulo. Please, I want you to share this thing. Share it. We are on live. Share it now. share it in Ijebu Ode here. Something is happening here. Something is happening in Ijebu Ode. There's air pollution that is causing problem.
Grammar school máa bá yín sìn hospital ló gbà ọmọ yẹn lọ.
Bóyá general.
Yeah, your mom's number. 080.
Omo, where is the girl? We have to just take bike and go home. Get home.
You get it now.
Ẹ mú jókòó síbi kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ mú jókòó síbẹ̀ just ẹ jẹ́ kó jókòó. Ẹ jẹ́ kó jókòó, ẹ jẹ́ kó jókòó.
Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid, yeah. Don't be afraid. Please share.
Àṣàkẹ́ TV show.